Hi, these exam questions are about the topic inequalities and error intervals. And the first question is solve the inequality to get the value of x, right? So we need to solve this. That means we need to make the x as a subject kind of thing. So you have 20 minus 5x is less than equals to 30. So if you take away 20 from both sides, so plus 20 minus 20 is 0. So minus 5x is less than equals to 30. Take away 20 is 10, right? Now we have to divide by minus 5 on both sides. Divide by minus 5. So when you divide by negative or times by negative, you need to change the inequality. So minus 5 divided by minus 5 is 1. So you're left with x. And 10 divided by minus 5 is minus 2. So the answer is x greater than equals to minus 2. Alright, so the next question is represent x greater than minus 1 on the number line. So you can see the inequality is strict. So we just need to draw the open circle at minus 1. So since the x is greater than minus 1, so your arrow should go upwards like this. Alright, so the question number 16 is when w is truncated to the answer is 8 and Sacha writes the error interval due to the truncation as the w is between 7.5 to 8.5. So give a reason why Sacha is wrong and state the correct error interval for w. Alright, so the truncation is what? If you, let's say, consider Sacha's answer is 7.5. So the 7.5, if you truncate this, that means you just need to ignore the whatever you go after the decimal point and you will get the whole number after the truncation. So it will truncate to 7, and the upper side, if it is 8.5, yeah, so if you truncate this one, so you just need to ignore whatever you have after the decimal point, so it will be 8. But the low end is not correct because 7.5 is truncated to 7, and even though it's not the maximum value of the interval cannot be 8.5, because even though if you consider 8.9 and if you truncate this number, then 9 cancels out and you're left with 8. So the maximum answer can be any value less than 9, because it can be 8.9999, and if you truncate this, the decimal part you need to ignore and you're left with 8 again. So then that means the minimum possibility would be 8 itself and the maximum possibility would be 9, because in the error interval you can see over here is a strict inequality. So any value less than 9 or 8, any value which is 8 or more than 8 but less than 9 would truncate to 8. So that is the error interval. And what would be the reason now? So the reason would be 7.5 truncate to 7 as the decimal places are ignored. So that is one of the error you can mention in working out. Thank you.